Iron Maiden is bringing some metal to the city. So, let's basically rock to some metal. Yeah. Okay. Keep going. Yeah.
Keep going.
Woo! Okay. All kinds of metal fans like basically walking down the hill. All right. There we go. Wow. Great metal show for you, all right? Yeah. With metal, you're basically ready to rock. All right? Rock and roll is what I'm saying. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. One great show. Yeah. Yeah, yo. Yeah. All right. Basically,
Didn't know that track yet.
yeah. It's an old classic, man. It's an old rock song. Oh, 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 sweet child of mine. Yeah. That's the rock tune, all right? So, let's rock it out. Ow! How'd you all enjoy this metal show? Ow! 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 Yow! Ow! Ow! Iron Maiden! Woo! Yeah! 331, yeah! Now, Iron Maiden is basically one of the greatest rock metal bands ever, along with Metallica, or AC/DC, or stuff like that. Yeah. Ow! 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 Yeah. Woo! 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 Yeah. Woo! Yeah. There we go. Sweet old child. Ow! 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 Yeah. Iron Maiden bringing basically nothing but skulls, all right?
Probably next week.
For his, like, Book of Souls tour. Yeah. Have you read the Book of Souls lately? Good question. All right. Ow! Ow! Yow! Yeah. With the soundtrack, you're basically lifting a piece of metal, all right? Yeah.